Where is my wallet? What did you do with it? Where is it? You don't know?
The top spot for stubbornness definitely belongs to cats, no doubt about it. Turns out, being small and cute doesn't mean you're always easy to mess with.
Oh my god. Yay.
Hop hop. Bir dur ya. Aşağı döndük yine şıpıdık.
Say hey. Hey. Hey.
You're not getting food yet. No. You get it at 1 or 2. It's not even noon yet. No. Kiwi.
Hello. Hello. Hi.
Why is she sitting like that?
She's chilling. It's a vibe.
Oh my gosh.
You vibing? Milk tired her out. Good stuff.
Sing for me, my angel! Yes, sing! Sing for me!
Hi, handsome. Would you like a treat? Do you want a treat? All right, come on. Come on.
She came and snugged up. Hi.
They also mimic humans for food and cuddles, like this. This massage therapist seems a bit strict. Clients should not touch so randomly.
Say mama. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're saying mama.
Hi. What you doing? Yeah? Do you like the sun?
Callie. Callie. Mama. Callie. Oh.
¿Quieres pollito? ¿Sí? ¿Pollito? Ok.
Sao Simba?
どうする？芝。そう。
Can you turn it back on? Turn it back on. Good girl.
When it comes to imitations, cats learn fast, you know?
Help me! Help me! Help me!
Who's that handsome guy? Just catching a glimpse in a car window, I'm already looking great.
Bella. Say Bella. Bella.
Ja, und was machst du da? Ja, wirklich. Okay. Gut, dann machen wir weiter. Tschüss.
Basically, the living embodiment of a vengeance goddess.
Cái chương cho ta nổi.
No, you can't have that. You gotta ring the bell. Ring the bell. No, you do. Good boy. Oh, good boy.
What are you doing? What's the matter? Are you mad at me? No? Okay, good. What are you gonna...
The professional supervisor is on duty, making sure everything is done to the cat's demanding specifications.
I pet the cat pets me. That's our friendship contract.
Do I have to tell you multiple times it's a no?
Well, you don't live with your mum, but someone even pickier than her.
Get him. He's not happy.
I'm putting this away.
I'm trying to give you more. You don't want more? No.
What the?
Please. Please stop. Please. I'm trying to work. What is your goal?
Test a creature with sharp instincts and hearing, then think of a tougher game.
If you had one word of advice for people to have a better day, what would it be? Oh, okay.
C'est simple, hein? Ça se prend pas sec parce que de base, faut prendre
Wait, I was literally eating. Where did my food just disappear to? Who would dare make a statue of my face? Oh, but it's actually pretty cute.